Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today we have a special collaboration and it's called the Glam Squad, and it's a Glam Easter Tablescape open invite, and the members are Glamour Ellen, Luxury Living with N, Glam Home My Style My Colors, and Glam Queen of Decor. So what I decided to do is decorate this small table, very cozy and quaint, right next to the window. Now I did decide to go with off-white tablecloth and also a black runner. So now there are going to be plenty of florals, plenty of little Easter hints here and there. So I'm going to leave you to music as I decorate this table. So now, just to make this place setting fun, I thought it would be a good idea to incorporate these beehive plates. Aren't they absolutely gorgeous? I found these at Dollar General. So now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all you oldies and goodies who have been with me for a while, I want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So now I do want to take a moment and thank the Glam Squad members for hosting this collaboration. So now I'm absolutely loving this vase. I just got through making this and I filled it with some iridescent shredded grass and also filled it with some golden eggs. So now I couldn't resist. I made this glam carrot out of crushed glass and I think that came out absolutely gorgeous. So now we add a couple of candles and we dim some of the lights and we are almost ready, guys, for the reveal. Okay, so I'm so excited. Let's head on over there. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed putting it together for you. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.